Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-20 drag link end. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 2-20 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's open up template. Okay, so we're going to do front plane, sketch, and it's going to be a box to start with. And there's going to be, let's see, 22. Let's do that measurement first. That way lock something else in place. 22. There we go, beautiful. Now we want the center point circle. That's going to go around there. Beautiful. Now, let me do a trim. Just cut that piece out. There we go. That's going to be... First off, let's put a circle in... Oh, actually, hold on. Let's put... circle there. And circle there. Now, these two will be horizontal along with this center point. These two here be horizontal. Done. It's going to be from this center point to this center point will be 16. Oh, I'm going to do. Oh, we have sketch. That's going to be 11. Oh, sorry, 7. That makes sense. Okay. This point, and this point will be vertical. Along to this point, and this point, because I've got to do them. That's why it's doing a meltdown. There we go. Beautiful. Now let's join them together. Oh, hold on. This was something. Something's not making sense. This 16 is from the outer edge. So I've got to take 14 off. So it's got to be 7, 7, 14, so it's going to be 2. That's weird. What did it do center? Oh, well. Hold on, what did it do that? Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. I think I did. I did that wrong spot. Sorry. Let me cancel those two. This point to this point. I think I did the center mark there. Will be vertical. That's better. Now we do that too. Beautiful. We're going first. Fix this one up. It's gonna be 11. There we go. That's better. Okay, from here to there is a let's see, 16 plus 16 plus 8. So 40. There we go. Let me just bring that one down there. There we go. So that's all confined or confirmed. That's all. It's all good. It's all good. Like there's no blue. There's all black. So everything is locked in. So now it's got to be 19 wide. So through 19, I'm going to put that in center. Now mid plane. Definitely put this in mid plane. Does make it handy or easier. Okay, that's done. We've got to put a hole here. Be mid plane. We've got the center point right there. Just saves a lot of hassle. and that's going to be 12. 12. That's going to be depth of 16. So feature, extrude cut, 16, and done. Beautiful. There's no piece missing out of this one. That's fully solid in, so that's done. Let's go fillet. 0.5. Let's do round there. That one. No, not that one. If you click on it again, it actually highlights it too, so which is nice. Want that line there. There we go. And that piece there. That should be everything. There we go. Put some color to it. And done. So that is piece 2-20. Drag link end for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon done. So if you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, click the like button, comment, subscribe. It does help me out. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.